Hi, my name is Estefan from Telkom, and today we're doing an unboxing of the new Telkom 5G CPE Max 3 router. Now, when you receive the package, you can just lay it down for me and then open it up. On your left, you will see your router. You will find your accessories required to set up the router. Now firstly, you will receive or see your power cable, your Ethernet cable, your PoE adapter. Now this is an indoor and outdoor unit, so you will receive an indoor stand. You'll see there is an outdoor bracket, some pole clamps, and then also a grommet for your Ethernet cable when you mount it outside. Alright, to set up the router for indoor use, firstly you take your network cable, you will thread it through the bottom of the stand and then line it up with the network port at the bottom of your router. Just click it in, just make sure you hear the click sound. And then what you do is you take the stand, you line it up with the holes at the back of your router, put it in there and slide it up until you hear a clicking sound. And then boom, set up for indoor. Now what you want to do is as well, with powering this device, you would first need to connect your network cable to the PoE adapter where it says PWR, that will be for power. Make sure it's clicking in properly. And then what you do at the back, you'll see there is a adapter port for your power cable. Plug that in, just make sure it's powered off. Plug that into your wall or power socket. When you're ready and you're safe, you can just power the device on, and then yeah, you're ready. Okay, so to set up the device for outdoor use, I've already applied the grommet at the bottom, just screw it on. Now what you'll do is you'll just turn your router around, you'll see there is a provided bracket, you'll see there is an arrow facing upwards. You would need to just line it up with the router upwards and then just click it on. Just make sure you hear that clicking sound. Now you'll see at the back there is a port for, or holes for your clamps that was provided in your box, and then there's also 4 holes for the provided screws that came on. So you just mount that against your wall or pole should you wish to use the clamps, and then also once that is finished and mounted up, just as with the indoor connection, you would just power it from the bottom with your network cable. When everything is safe, you can power everything on, and then you're sorted. Key things to note about this unit: it is IP65 rated, that means it's water and dust proof. It is also dual broadband, so that means you can connect with a 4G or 5G connection. Additionally, with the outdoor units, you do get a deco mesh system for the internal connection. Now, if you do like these types of videos, please do let us know in the comments down below. Please do like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.